Hey guys, it's Michael Bocek with 217 Dent. We had a 2015 Tahoe come in with a dent in the rear quarter, and this sucker was deep. It wasn't that deep, but it was deep. It was so bad that I wasn't even sure that that thing would come out very well, and that's what I told the customer. And if you look down into the depth of this dent, you can't even tell if it's cracked. You don't even know if the paint is cracked at all because the lights, there's no you can see nothing down in there. I put my finger down in the tip of that dent and I couldn't even touch the bottom. But here's before, during, about halfway through, and then here's after. So check it out. Let me know if you like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Hit that subscribe. Go to Facebook and go to No Paint Dent Guy and like my page. Alright, you can't tell if the paint's cracked whatsoever here in the dent, but this is one sharp dent. I thought it was from a mirror, but more looks like a pellet gun of some sort. But the dent is, we're unsure if the dent's cracked because once you start pushing on the paint, there could be an existing crack in the impact point, which will actually lift the paint. And this is called a volcano. Basically, we're slowly stretching that paint out. We don't want it to blow like a volcano and the paint just come flaking everywhere. But I did use a lot of heat, and right now we got a high spot, which we will tap down to another low spot. Then we'll eventually turn into a flat spot, is what I call it. Now the flat spot, now we're back to a high spot, and there is two impact points that are still not completely level. We have to bring those two impact points high, which this dent did not come out perfect by no means, but it was 99%. It was absolutely phenomenal. Customer was absolutely thrilled with the results, and I told him that I wasn't sure if I can even get the dent out because it was so deep, and I told him that the probability of the paint cracking was very high. The alternative, the paintless dent repair, would have been to remove the glass. It would have been remove the door, remove the SLT logo, remove the tail light. It would remove many parts of the vehicle. Paintless dent removal was a much less aggressive repair to this vehicle. The rear quarter would have been very aggressive repair to this vehicle. And the less aggressive repair that we can do is the best thing to maintain value of your vehicle. This repair did not come out 100% perfect, but it come out absolutely phenomenal. Customer is very happy. Here is the finished repair, and there is a very slight flaw in this repair, which is almost invisible to the naked eye. The elapsed time for this repair was 7 hours.